Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by confirming prerequisites, then move immediately to action. Install Swift 5. 7 or later and set path. Verify with Swift version. Once done, add the slashes type sol package to package. Swift or use Swift PM add, fetch the dependency. Make sure to import slashes type sol in your new module file and scaffold a small test dataset so you can iterate quickly. This first pass ensures the library compiles, and you have a runnable entry point to apply the next configuration steps. Now configure how slashes type sol will interpret input. Define precise type schemas and mapping rules in a single central file so changes propagate. Then set parser options, use strict equals true to catch mismatches, enable trim whitespace, and set max depth to 12 to avoid runaway recursion. Once options are set, wire callbacks for onParse on error and on transform to collect logs and metrics. These steps control behavior and observability. Without them, you can't debug subtle type coercions or performance bottlenecks. Finish by running a full test suite against sample files and edge case inputs to validate behavior end-to-end. Once green, optimize performance with cached parse schemas and enable incremental parsing for large streams. Make sure to version your schema files and tag releases. If something goes wrong, reproduce the failing input and set debug level to verbose. Inspect on error callback logs for type mismatches and stack traces. That targeted reproduction plus verbose logs is the single most effective troubleshooting approach.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.